defenestration of antiquated beliefs is essential for intellectual liberation. Let me take it once again. Defenestration of antiquated beliefs is essential for intellectual liberation. What I want to tell you is that rejection of outdated ideas and beliefs is a road to the freedom of the mind. Sometimes, based on our originality, where we actually came from, there might be some sort of utterances and decree and pending curses in our family that necessarily work negatively against us. So, in our day-to-day activities, there's something in our mind that has been jotted down, haunting us physically, spiritually, and emotionally. Why? Because you might have heard something that has persisted long in your family. But in reality, show a so concern in rejection of any antiquated belief that is holding down your progress, that has impeded your progress. Sometimes such antiquated beliefs hold down human progression. It brings down human vision. It cripples our visions in life. It is very important to defenestrate all antiquated beliefs so that you can attain an emotional freedom. You can liberate your mind and focus on your dream. It is very important. Neglect every hearing, every negative pronouncement and decrees that has been made over your life. Neglect all those sayings and neglect everything that you came to meet in your family and focus. Develop that concept and realize yourself manifesting all the positivities in you. Harness that positive energy, and I believe that you will get to wherever you want to go to in life. Bless you and bless you so much. Nyamishram, there was a dream rebia, a busia free woman, temwa, be a mere better tea in Simbi. Sans some near better tea and intino. A dream maybe I a shay adrenaso, a shay apumaso, if we say, be a maker saying, Wabusiam be a bibini ho, and as the cabin ho, and now but tea said, Mabusiam de Yentimo, Yabusiam de Yenincha, Yabusiam de Yentimin ye, and now Ukrampo will be said, oh, bre. Una mama ni ebi mukuran kone sin tobi wo mu ana mabusuam yare bi wo mu ebia yare ekun maame ebia kun nua bi ebia kun obi ana se una mama ni ebi mu a usoro ye kamane be to trim but maame kire o se sam ne ya wo hwemi se obenya gidie no ahun se sa ne omani nyina wo de onka ho se yare bi na kun nua bi a wo de o bibi soronko o nimdie soronko o nyankopon tumi bi a eno be nante asundwiem e wasase so sa yare na kum maame bi kum nua ana cancer bi fibroid bi e ha obi wa abusua no wo de bi nya wo da ana se ohia pampi bi ni ahokyere bi a e ba wo nua bi so e wa abusua no wo de ebi enka wo da na se wo yisa nioma we nyina ne moguo we nyina na wo tugu efiri wa adwene mu a ho e na wa adwene e besipi ho ena wa adwene mu nyina betie na wanya adwene mu tie animtie eni akomamu kan na anisuade hunu biara ewo wutirim ewo anisu se opese esi eye kwampa so no na atimi esi di fa hye wutirim se ade bia beto ye biara ana se aborofo sem bia beto no abusuam musuo ana no mi bia ewo obisu abusuam no wo de onka ho da na ba ne sa na minti obeye nhira na minhira to bibia tugu ne focus wo abrabo a wo bo ne hunu se wogidie mu dia sie bia no ayi obi na atoro wo de ebi nto da na obeye tire unya bia na wo obeye se bia esi esubonten ho na obeso aba woni birim obi ho kire na wo de ho enkyere wo da if you say wo bibi na minhira wo nhira bebre.